from the beginning.
Yeah.
Beginning.
Once upon a time, dressed so fine, through the bumps and dime, and your mind was in you. People call, they say, sweat dog. You might have fallen and you thought they were all there. In you. You used to laugh about what everybody that was hanging out. Now you don't talk so loud. Now you don't so proud about having to be counted when you're next to me. Oh, how does it feel? The instrumental part is C, D minor, E, F, G, and G.
Yeah.
Like it's a short little part of this piece.
Yeah.
And then it goes back into, the singing again. So that's where you're doing your harmonica piece over that. So you know what I mean? It has that kind of hangs on the G thing.
Yeah. All right. What was I doing?
Something different.
We'll take it from where?
Okay.
Are we taking it from a certain part or doing it from the beginning?
I don't.
It's your song. What are we doing?
Let's just take it from the chorus.
And then you want me to do the harmonica?
There's like an instrumental thing.
Yeah. Okay.
So chorus and the instrumental.
So right after on that last,
Okay.
like the Rolling Stone, we're hanging on a G for a little
Yeah.
bit, and we're doing the,
Yeah.
okay.
And then we go back into the first part. I wasn't thinking there was a whole lot of weirdness in this song. I usually do kind of straight through.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I thought you were going to come back in.
Oh, maybe it's 10. I don't know. Something's throwing it off.
Okay.
Let's just try it. Let's just
Start
do
the chorus.
Yep. That's what you've been doing is the harmonica,
Okay.
like the call and response thing.
Yeah.
And then I waited for you to do the instrumental part on the harmonica too.
Okay. How long is it? Like 2 measures or something?
It's just C, D minor, E minor, F, G, and then G, we hold on the G.
So we
That's the instrumental part.
start with a guitar instrumental or the harmonica instrumental?
I don't think there's any guitar.
There's not a guitar instrumental.
Okay. Start with the guitar.
So, but the thing is, we gotta come in. How does it feel? So I have to sing first, I guess,
Right.
before you guys, if we're gonna start at the very beginning of the chorus.
Yeah. Start right on how does it
All right.
feel.
Go ahead.
How does it feel? Oh, how does it feel? Yeah, to be without a home. Like a little dog. Yeah, like a rolling stone.
fucking
Rolling
blame the
Stone,
shit out of it.
we
Yeah.
hold that G for a while before we kick in. Go Rolling Stone.
No, not if he's doing the instrumental.
Okay, that's
There,
right.
go right back to the C, D, E.
Okay.
Sounds like you wanna hold for two measures if you're gonna hold.
That's what I was thinking.
You know?
You start right on the, how does it feel?
All right. How does it feel? Oh, how does it feel? Yeah, to be without a home. Like you're gonna be alone. Like a rolling stone. Doesn't sound like we're playing the right stuff.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure how long we were gonna extend it, the G there.
Well, I say like a rolling stone, that's the end of the chorus. And then we go right into, there's no extending the G. It goes right into C, D minor, E, F, and then G.
And that's harmonica, or you're singing?
The harmonica piece.
I think you gotta turn the speaker more this way or that way.
What's the problem?
I think,
Woo!
I think you're feeding back because it's.
Check, check. What's feeding back?
That may have been mine.
Yes. Feedback.
So let's just play over this, just play over the instrumental. You know what the instrumental is? All right, so I'm gonna play it for you, and then you're gonna do the harmonica part,
Okay.
right? Now you go to the finest school. You see where it's coming back in?
Yeah.
So you got that. That's your instrumental part.
Okay. Well, let's go back to how does it feel?
Right. All right.
Is it over your singing or is it?
No, it's just, it's no.
You're not,
It's just
okay.
harmonica solo.
Okay,
That's a harmonica solo.
I don't, okay. I'm just gonna keep a beat on the hi-hat while you guys work it out then. Go.
All right. How does it feel? Oh, how does it feel? To be without a home, like something unknown. Yeah, like a rolling stone. Now you've gone to the finest schools around this morning, but you know you only used to get just an head. Nobody taught you how to live on the street, and now you know you just don't have to get used to it. If you never compromise, you trend, but now you realize Okay, that's how it goes. Sort of.